Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 133 Galvin Court on a private cul-de-sac with Victor Schools.
This is an amazing property with over an acre. So let's take a tour.
This open great room has a homey feel with a spacious family room with a wood-burning fireplace, open to an eat-in kitchen with wood cabinetry, maintenance-free flooring, and deck access, with an adjacent formal dining room and living room with pocket doors and a picture window overlooking the cul-de-sac, plus a first-floor laundry and powder room. This home also features a finished lower level, great for additional living space with an egress window and gas fireplace, plus a second floor with 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a wonderful master suite with a walk-in closet. This home is situated on over an acre with beautiful landscaping, with an entertainment-sized deck and patio. Galvin Court is a private cul-de-sac with beautiful homes. Nearby many parks, golf courses, Eastview Mall, and the town of Victor. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! But I hope you enjoyed the tour of 133 Galvin Court in Farmington.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!